Hey YouTube, Appalachian Survivalist. Just another quick update. Made a easy feeder, and what I've done there is I took an old footlocker that I had from when I was in the Army, took a heat gun, heated up cut a slit in the side there, and heated up the slit, and was able to take a block of wood, kind of hold it in there till it cooled down and formed a opening there. And what that does is it allows the chickens to stick their head in there and get the feed, but the feed's, pretty well protected. It's here under this part of the coop, but they're easily able to get to it. I've noticed they've been needing some minerals, so we've got some oyster shell that we mixed in with the cracked corn, and but pretty simple, pretty easy, and worked really well. I want to thank my good friend Chad. He was the one that gave me the idea to do that. So just another update there. Hope everybody's doing well. As always, God bless, like and subscribe.